Fruits and berries offer a wealth of vitamins, minerals and fibers, plus they are low in calories. In this final breakfast video, I will talk about how to implement more fruits and berries in your breakfast. Fruit and berries, they offer you a wealth of vitamins and minerals as well as fibers, and they have a low nutrient density, and that means that they combine a high nutrient content with a low calories content, and this is good for both health and weight loss. So adding fruits to your breakfast and during the day for that matter keeps your blood sugar stable, it reduces your craving for sweet and fatty food, and in general it leaves you with a light and good feeling in the body. Also, fresh fruit adds sweetness and freshness to your breakfast, and depending on the season or where you live, you can supplement your fruit intake with frozen fruits like mango, blueberries or pineapple. In most countries you can get fresh fruit like apples or bananas all year round, and I recommend to use fresh fruit. Environmental wise, and to reduce my carbon footprint, I personally try to reduce fruits and berries and vegetables that are flowed in from far away, and instead I aim for the local grown fruits. Here in Scandinavia where I live, we have lots of locally grown apples and pears and strawberries in summertime, so I go for that when they are in season. But again, nutrition-wise, there is no difference between eating frozen or fresh. I have not mentioned smoothies before, but here you have a perfect opportunity to blend both the fresh and the frozen fruit in a delicious and nutritious drink that can serve as a snack, a supplement to your breakfast, or even as a complete little bit light breakfast. I will round up with a review of the key points on breakfast habits that I have presented so far. Here they come. Eating breakfast is part of your meal framework, and eating breakfast together is a unifying ritual for the whole family. Breakfast helps to avoid unhealthy snacking before lunch, and when you eat breakfast, it contributes important nutrients to your diet. The composition of your breakfast is individual and depends on your energy level. Choose whole grain cereals and bread over the processed products. Drink enough water, up to 6 glasses a day. Eat fruit with your breakfast. I want to encourage you to set a personal breakfast goal for the remaining time of the program. It could be to eat whole grain cereals 3 times a week. It could be to drink a large glass of water first thing in the morning. I do that personally. Or to eat a piece of fruit every morning. So write your goal down in your training diary. Make a copy to put in the fridge so that you remember. And also let your accountability partner know about it. In the next food video, I will start to talk about healthy lunch habits. Until then, enjoy your training, and I'll see you soon.